Hello students, in this video we are going to learn the format of liquidator final statement of accounts in the topic liquidation of companies or winding up of a company in the subject corporate accounting. Liquidators final statement of accounts. Format. So, draw 4 column particulars, draw 6 column particulars, amount. The second column is inner column, that is particulars, inner column, outer column. Again draw 3 column particulars, the amount is inner column, the amount outer column. So draw 6 column. The first 3 column represent debit, the next 3 column represent credit. Debit, credit. First one, to assets realized. Name of the asset like fixed assets and current asset. I am just writing the common name. So whatever the asset is given, we have to bring it here from the question, like a land, plant, building, plant and machinery, then stock, debtor, cash, everything we have to bring under the heading to asset realized. Then to surplus. If surplus is there, we need to bring it here. Then to receipt of call money. If any uncalled money is there, that should be brought it at the time of winding up of a company. For example, 10,000 shares issued at the rate of 10 each, and so far we collected, that is paid up is 8. Then the face value is 10, paid up is 8. 2 is uncalled capital. Like that uncalled call money is there, that we need to bring it here, that is to receipt of call money. At the time of winding up of a company, we need to send a notice to the shareholder and we collect remaining 2 and come to the credit side. By legal charges, if then by liquidation expenses. Then by liquidator's remuneration. Sometime it will be given as fixed remuneration. If fixed remuneration is given, bring it here directly. It is if not all the cases. Sometime fixed remuneration will be given in the question. Usually we used to calculate on assets or amount realized. From this we need to calculate. Then on preferential creditor. On preferential creditor, we need to calculate the remuneration. Then on unsecured creditor, usually you don't have money to pay for the unsecured creditor. So this is important, because if it is 3% here, 3 by 100, here also 3 by 100, for year 3 by 103, because usually you don't have sufficient money, inadequate fund to pay for unsecured creditor, so that we need to do the calculation 3 by 103. Then by preferential creditor, amount is to be settled. Then by debenture along with interest. Then by amount available to unsecured creditor. Usually this will be the balancing figure. This is the format for liquidator's final statement of accounts. So 3 items will come in the debit side. To asset realized, it will come in all the cases. To surplus, if, that means it will not come in all the cases. To receipt of call money, that also if. This also will not come in all the cases. We have to total these and enter the amount here. Then legal charges, if. So most of the cases legal charges also will not be there. And the liquidation expenses, almost all the problem it will be given. Then by liquidator's remuneration, very rare cases you will be given fixed remuneration. Then usually we need to calculate like this: on asset or amount realized, on preferential creditor, on unsecured creditor. Add this and show the amount in the outer column. After this, we have to make the payment by preferential creditor, by debenture along with the interest, then by amount available to unsecured creditor. This is the balancing figure. Usually, we need to pay remuneration only for this. Thank you. All the very best.